Hydrogen peroxide. The simplest, peroxide. It is a strong reactive species of oxygen with a chemical formula of H2O2. It is a chemical substance that acts as a strong oxidizing agent and specifically used to prevent further infection of small cuts, scrapes, and burns because of its astringent properties. A wonderful day to all of you! In this experiment, the members of Group 5 BS Pharmacy 1C3 aims to determine the percentage purity of hydrogen peroxide through a titrimetric analysis using standardized potassium permanganate as the volumetric solution. Before we proceed with the experiment, let's prepare the materials and chemicals necessary for this titration. We will need an acid burette, a watch glass, graduated cylinder, Erlenmeyer flask, burette clamp, an iron stand, pipettes and a rubber aspirator, beaker, glass funnel, and droppers. The chemicals used in this experiment are hydrogen peroxide, which will act as the analyte, standardized 0.9089 normal hydrochloric acid, and standardized 0.1 normal potassium permanganate as the volumetric solution. Add 1 ml of hydrogen peroxide solution in an Erlenmeyer flask containing 20 ml of distilled water. Then, add 10 ml of standardized hydrochloric acid to further more stabilize the chemical reaction. Potassium permanganate will be added in an acid burette until the 15 ml is reached. Titrate the analyte using the standardized potassium permanganate solution until a permanent light pink endpoint is achieved. Record the volume of titrant consumed. Repeat the process twice for a total of 3 trials. Again, record the volume of titrant consumed for each trial. In this assay, the equivalence point is achieved after adding an average volume of 6.40 ml of 0.1 normal potassium permanganate solution. The products of the chemical reaction in this assay are oxygen, potassium hydroxide, and manganese oxide. Compute for the percentage purity of the hydrogen peroxide using the formula below. Trial 1 yielded 1.12%. Trial 2, 1.09%. Trial 3, 1.05%. Upon the end of the titration process, the process does not yield a positive result. According to the specifications set by the United States Pharmacopoeia, hydrogen peroxide used in topical solutions must have a percentage purity ranging from 2.5% to 3.5%. The average percentage purity of hydrogen peroxide topical solution in this experiment is 1.09%, which is lower than the said standard. This may indicate that the product used has a relatively weak concentration or purity. The discrepancy in the results could have been caused by the volumetric solution used. Potassium permanganate, upon standardization, should be allowed to stand for 2 days to ensure that no organic matter is present in the solution. This mishap can explain the unconforming results in this assay.